Dear viewers, today again I am I am presenting you the method of cooking with only 250 taka water heater and a bowl and another bowl with what is called chalni. Today I have cooked vegetable. Look, the pepper is coming very nicely. The vegetable is already cooked, and let's taste some vegetables. Oh, I have added some carrot and some in Bengali we say this kochu shak and vegetable, and there is onion and there is tomato and there is some other carrot or this thing, you know this, uh, and I have chopped them and some added some uh, chili, and here I can taste this. uh, it's like Chinese onion, as it's like Chinese vegetable cooking method. Here the vapor is coming, you'll see the vapor is coming very nicely, and you see the water is heating water is very hot and is still vaporing, and after the vegetable becomes soft, we continue moving it so that the heat goes all through the vegetable, and see the vegetable, the color of the vegetable is darker now, and the tomato is color have changed, and there is these tomatoes, they are changed, and the onion, I can taste it, it's soft, it has become soft, the onion has become soft, and as dark as the color of the vegetable becomes, it becomes more tasty. I have added some salt and some sarisha oil, and I have added onion and chili and tomato and vegetable. This is called kochu shak, or and some which is called mula or something, I can't remember. In Bangladesh it is called mula. So almost the color of the vegetable is darker, and it's like black. Uh, it was green earlier, now it has become slightly darker. So let's taste. It has become taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Taste. I need a little bit onion. So I need to add some onion. Try it like this, like onion. I have added the onion, and okay, let's keep moving it. Keep moving it. More salt. Okay, let's move. See, the metal has become totally soft. Keep moving so that the vapor goes all through the vegetables. Okay. Now The water is boiling, you see. To make it juicy, you can unplug the water heater bulb, and then you can remove the water heater from the water, and we can power the vegetable on the hot water. Now it is juicy. There is a thick taste, so that it bites your tongue when it is not boiled enough. If it is not boiled enough, it will bite your tongue. So you move the vegetable on hot water thoroughly. The vapor rinsed the vegetable and came again to the water. So the water is with a lot of the water contains a lot of vitamins. It like vegetable syrup, and you move and move and move. You add a little bit more salt. I have also added black jeera, kali jeera, what is called black seed, black jeera, and also I can add ada, what is called this thing, and okay, it's let's have. You can take it with muri, fried rice, or fried. Okay, thanks for today. Let's taste a little bit more. Not bad. Chinese vegetable.